Welcome to our wonderful Thai jackfruit farm. Today, we will take you through the journey of growing, caring for, harvesting and processing dried jackfruit. Sit back and enjoy a fascinating look at one of Thailand's most beloved fruits. Jackfruit, a tropical wonder with its enormous size and delicious taste, is a staple fruit in many Thai households and an important export product. Have you tried dried jackfruit? If not, you are really missing out on an important part of life. Let's discover all the secrets from the jackfruit tree to the crispy, dried jackfruit pieces. Let's get started with the growing process. The journey of jackfruit begins with choosing the right seed. Jackfruit trees prefer to grow in well-drained, sandy soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. Thailand's tropical climate, with its warm temperatures and abundant rainfall, creates ideal conditions for jackfruit. Farmers mainly use grafting to propagate jackfruit trees, as it helps the trees grow faster and retain the good characteristics of the mother tree. This method helps the trees produce fruit faster and produce higher yields, reducing the waiting time compared to planting seeds. When the young grafted trees reach a height of 30 to 40 centimeters, they are ready to be transplanted into the field. The young trees are planted at a distance of 8 to 12 meters to give them enough space to grow. In the early stages, jackfruit trees need careful care, especially adequate watering during the dry season. Pruning is an important part of jackfruit tree care. This helps shape the tree, remove dead or diseased branches, and promote better air circulation. Proper pruning ensures that the tree can bear the weight of the heavy jackfruits. In addition to pruning, farmers must protect the trees from pests such as fruit flies, stink bugs, and stink bugs. They use organic pesticides and natural predators to control these pests. To control diseases such as stem rot and leaf blight, farmers maintain good hygiene in the garden and use disease-resistant varieties. Did you know that caring for jackfruit trees is like caring for a finicky friend? But the results are incredibly sweet. In addition to pruning, farmers must protect the trees from pests such as fruit flies, stink bugs, and stink bugs. They use organic pesticides and natural predators to control these pests. To control diseases such as stem rot and leaf blight, farmers maintain good hygiene in the garden and use disease-resistant varieties. Did you know that caring for jackfruit trees is like caring for a finicky friend? But the results are incredibly sweet. Harvesting jackfruit is a skilled job. Farmers look for signs of ripeness, such as a change in the color of the shell from green to yellow-brown, and a hollow sound when tapped. They use a sharp knife or sickle to cut the fruit, being careful not to damage the tree or the fruit. In 2023, Thailand harvested 450,000 tons of jackfruit. This impressive figure shows the dedication and expertise of Thai farmers. I don't know about everyone else's preferences, but I personally like to eat fresh jackfruit picked from the tree. The sweetness, aroma, and refreshing feeling are incomparable. Everyone, please comment and share your preferences for eating jackfruit. Who knows? We might discover a new and interesting way to eat jackfruit. Who knows? Maybe someone likes to eat jackfruit with salt and pepper. After harvesting, jackfruits are transported to processing facilities where they are thoroughly cleaned and sorted. Only the highest quality fruits are selected for drying. This stage is crucial, ensuring that only the best fruits become dried jackfruit. The jackfruits are washed to remove dirt and impurities. They are then peeled by hand or with a specialized machine. The bright yellow flesh, rich in vitamins and minerals, is carefully separated. When dried, this flesh becomes a nutritious, delicious snack. The next step is to slice the jackfruit into even pieces. This is important to ensure even drying. There are many ways to dry jackfruit, including oven drying or commercial dryers. In Thailand, modern facilities often use dryers that maintain a steady temperature and airflow. The jackfruit pieces are arranged on trays and dried at a temperature of about 50 to 60 degrees for 8 to 10 hours to reduce moisture and preserve the fruit, while maintaining its sweet flavor. After drying, the jackfruit pieces are checked for quality. Any pieces that do not meet the standards are discarded. Finally, the dried jackfruit is ready for packaging. Did you know that slicing jackfruit evenly is like cutting a birthday cake? It must be even and beautiful. The journey from seed to dried jackfruit is a testament to the hard work and expertise of Thai farmers. Their commitment to sustainable farming and quality production ensures that the world can enjoy the great taste of Thai jackfruit. From cultivation to export, every step is important to maintain the high standards of Thai jackfruit. In addition to dried jackfruit, Thailand is also famous for its unique street food that cannot be found anywhere else. Here, you will witness the incredible jackfruit cutting skills of street vendors. With quick and precise movements, they skillfully cut through the large, thorny jackfruit, revealing the sweet yellow segments like a performer. Their technique not only demonstrates professionalism, but also ensures minimal waste and maximum productivity. This performance on the bustling streets of Thailand is truly part of the rich culinary culture and art of street food preparation.